Hello everyone, how are you doing? I'm Alexandros and with me is Andrea. We are from the Island of Cyprus and now we're going to break down an improver move of Bachata. I call it the handy handwork because it has some nice hand tricks you can use. You don't have to use it in your whole Bachata dance, but every now and then it's fun to do. If you like to see it with music, it's in the info card here and in the description. Let's break this down, shall we? So we first started off with the basic as always. 3, 4, 5, 6. Take 4 counts to put the right hand over the lady's head. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open this up to prepare the lady for a turn. And 5, 6, 7, 8. You come to a reverse 70 hold or a completa hold. Okay, from here now you need to lower the hand across your left hand. Make sure you don't do it here because you're going to get messed up. And we're pushing the lady to turn 1, 2, 3 you throw, 4 you catch. Rewind this little tricky one so you can do it again. So you can do it better. And we go on 5, 6, get some distance, 7, 8, pull with your right, turn out your elbow and go 1, 2 as a surprise and push the lady 3, 4 and stop her with the shoulder. She needs the help for the sudden turn and balance. And then we go 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna have somewhere here a body wave video how to do the normal and the reverse wave, okay? But now let's just continue from here. We do the wave, we take 4 counts, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we can slide to grab the other hand, roll the lady in, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a reverse roll. Now we have only 5, 6 to take her around, 5, 6, 7, 8, we push her under. 1, 2, you switch here the hand, around she goes, 3, 4, you're back to back. 5, 6, turn your upper body to your left. That's the lady's left as well to prepare. And then you can let go of the right hand, guys, and push the lady softly so she can turn her turns. Now we go back into basic 1, 2, 3, prepare, double turn, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grab her waist and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's just a little play for the end. Alright guys, I hope you like it. Make sure you comment and rate. Let us know in the comments what else you would like to see. We do salsa and bachata and footwork for salsa. And check out our Patreon page to support us. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.